Easter egg. Alright, let's start with some eyes. Big old round eye right about there, that's fun. And let's make it so they're all squishy like together, just like that. And a dot there, and a dot there for his pupils. This one just a little closer in. And now we can make some big old eyebrows like that. And maybe another one over here like this. We'll make it fun and make them all apart like so they're all crazy. Fun eggs for Easter time. There we go, there's our beginning of our egg. And now what we gotta do is draw the big oval body now. Just coming all the way down like this. And all the way back up around like that. Isn't that nice? Looking good, everybody. Now we can draw him a big old mouth. Big old smile for an Easter egg. Big cheek on that side. Another cheek over here like that. We'll bring his old mouth down like that. Big old smile and a big wide open mouth like this. Looking very nice. Bring that on in like that. That's looking good. And now what we can do is bring a big tongue in like this. And like that. This is looking very, very nice. Now all we have to do is decorate him. Let's decorate this egg with a couple of stripes right about here. One there. And another there. And we can color these in later with some color. How about a wavy line here? Maybe a little wavy line like that there. We'll join these up around here like this. And like that. Maybe down here, follow the same pattern like that. There we go, looking nice. Continue it around here like this. And like that. Alrighty. And perhaps another stripe in like this around here. There we go, and around the bottom like that. Oh, this is looking good. Now we can draw some circles in here, perhaps 1 and 2, and another couple right here, 1, 2, and maybe some circles down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Our Easter egg, everybody. Let's get to the color. Alright, we've got light purple for the stripes, red for the tongue, yellow for the wavy lines, blue for the dots, and pink for the rest of the egg. Happy Easter!